We need to have a platform that has this integration capabilities out of the box built into the system.
Welcome to today's expert talk on streamlining batch release. I'm joined by digital manufacturing expert Thomas Halfmann. Together we'll explore the key barriers that slow down batch release and how leaders can leverage digital solutions to accelerate time to patient. Thomas, on a scale from 1 to 10, how aligned are end-to-end batch release process in most pharma organizations today?
As we are talking also about different modalities, different levels of maturity, I would say it would be on the level from 3 to 7, but don't nail me on the exact number.
What are the top 3 barriers that keep batch release slow and reactive?
It is the lack of information and the lack of information overview in real time across the entire batch. During the batch processing in manufacturing operations, we have to make several decisions in order how to process with the batch. What we are lacking today is very often that we have all the information needed at hand in real time to make a quick decision. So we are spending time in meetings, looking at data that is taken from systems, sometimes taken out of paper, but we are not looking at real-time data very often. So there is no common platform, no common dashboard where we can delve into the data in order to make decisions.
So please complete the following sentence. A reactive batch release process becomes proactive when?
When we have access to real-time data contextualized with the actual manufacturing process. So at the end of the day, having people looking at the right data at the right time.
What are the 4 non-negotiable capabilities a digital platform must deliver to truly accelerate batch release?
First of all, we need to get access to the data. So which means we need to have integration capabilities that this platform, like Shift Connector, can access data from various source systems. That could be automation system, that could be an MES, that could be the ERP, that could be QMS, LIMS, and so on. Secondly, we need to provide that data to people or teams that they can make decisions based upon that information. So kind of role-based dashboards, individualized for whatever need they have. Thirdly, it needs to be contextualized. I mean, we need to put that into the context of the production process and the product quality. And of course, as we are talking about pharmaceutical manufacturing, I mean, all that needs to be in compliance with all the standards and rules that we have to follow as a pharmaceutical industry.
Which pharma domains, ranging from large molecules to small molecules, would benefit the most from adopting such a digital platform?
All of the modalities that you have been talking about are benefiting from that. It needs a certain maturity, but also it helps in order to climb up the ladder of maturity, if you so will. Another very important use case is when we are thinking about a CDMO. A CDMO that would provide such a platform could also give their customers access to that information, providing them with individual views so that they get real-time information out of the shop floor operations directly onto their computers.
What are the top steps to build automated data integration across MES, LIMS, ERP, and QMS?
We did a lot of effort in the last 20 years in order to digitalize our manufacturing operations. So we implemented systems like automation systems, MES, process control systems, LIMS, and so on. What we don't have is a common data view across all of these systems. So if we are talking about a platform that provides the data that we need in order to make decisions on the shop floor, we need to have access to all that data, which means we need to have a platform that has this integration capabilities out of the box built into the system so that we can provide data contextualized in forms of dashboards to operators and teams.
Thanks, Thomas, for the insights, and thank you very much for watching. We learned today it's clear that digital batch tracking isn't just about a tech upgrade. It's really a strategic lever for operational excellence. So thank you for watching, stay innovative, and shape the future of manufacturing with us.